Alex Baina here and welcome to Chalk Talk. In today's episode, we are going to talk about galaxies. A huge collection of gas, dust, and billions of stars and their solar systems. They are all held together by a gravity. This is known as galaxy. Stars in this type of galaxy pass through a wave called a spiral arm that bends due to its rotation and spinning around a central axis. Astronomers call this as the spiral galaxy. A galaxy classified as SO or SBO in the Hubble fork diagram, which we are going to talk about later. It has a shape like a lens. Thus, this type of galaxy is called a lenticular galaxy. In the 1936 work of Edwin Hubble, called The Realm of the Nebulae, he mentioned this type of galaxy along with the spiral and lenticular galaxies as the three main classes of galaxies. This galaxy is approximately an ellipsoidal shape and a smooth image. This is called the elliptical galaxy. This type of galaxy is the result of close encounters with other galaxies, or it could also be a result of a violent internal activity. They have no defined shape or structure and probably formed from collisions with other galaxies. This is called the irregular galaxy. Our solar system is located 25,000 light-years away from the center of our galaxy, a spiral galaxy that is 100,000 light-years in diameter across. Our galaxy is about 90% dark matter and only 10% luminous matter. We see this 10% luminous matter as a hazy form of stars in the night sky. All the stars that we see at night belong to our own galaxy called the Milky Way, a type of matter made of baryonic matter. In other words, they are like protons or neutrons that interacts with visible matter. Their interaction is through gravitational effect, like the curving of space and time. However, they do not absorb or reflect or even emit light. That is why it is difficult to observe this type of matter. So, that is why they are called dark matter. Galaxies are classified as spirals, barred spirals, ellipticals, and irregulars. Spiral and barred spiral galaxies can be classified further according to the size of their central bulge and the features of their arms. It was Edwin Hubble who developed this type of classification of galaxies, and he called it the Hubble tuning fork. Stars can form into galaxies, and galaxies can form into groups. Then groups can form into clusters. These growing clusters will become superclusters. Group of galaxies in clusters orbit around their common center of mass, and they are bound together by their mutual gravitational pulls. Galaxies in clusters that are very dense, collisions can occur in here. A supercluster that gravitationally is pulling our local cluster, where the Milky Way belongs. It has about 150 large galaxies in it. It has at least 1,000 known dwarf galaxies. This, much larger than any other group of clusters, is called the Virgo supercluster.